It's only one that is capital letter. The other one is small letter.
I forgot to put for the family one.
Okay.
Okay, what?
Better. Well done. So you see why I said there's no way you can't forget this thing. That's why I said that
Yeah,
too. I
I
gave
just
you
I just remember I
uppercase.
just remembered.
Uh-huh.
I just remembered how to do
Uppercase.
it like just now.
Okay. Uppercase, lowercase. So in this case, in this one for upper, that's for capital letters. Now,
The last one.
um, so yeah, go ahead and do the next one. I think
So the one
there was
so I just need to type it.
you don't need to type what?
No, I just need to type it.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Is that how it's going to be set up?
What does it do?
It shows it shows all the names.
It shows all the names. So what do you think happened there?
Um,
What do you think happened there? Look at what you typed. You typed boys.extend parents. So when you call the extend method on an array, right? Because you call the extend on boys. So what does the extend method do? The extend method simply adds elements to an array. Do you understand?
yes, sir.
So remember, parents already contains what? Dad and mom, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So when you now say boys.extend, you are saying all the things in parents, add them to boys. So after you call that extend on boys, it's no longer just three elements that are there. It's not just Fortune, David, and Ugo. You now have mom and dad at the end. So that's why can you see that for loop? Do you remember how the for loop, how we use that for loop? Can you see that for
Yes,
loop
sir.
there?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. Did you see something about the for loop that we were still able to go use name, do all the um get out the content of the array boys. Of course, now boys contains both dad and mom too, not just Fortune, David, and Ugo. It contains both dad and mom. We were able to get it, but we did not use any I or J in it. Did you see that?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. So Python provides this method whereby, okay, you just want to go through the array, right? You don't want to
Yes, sir.
use um, um, I I assignment operator 0 and then have to do the I less than and all that stuff. So it provides an alternative way to do it. So, but then it's good to, like I said, it's good to always know all the other ways to do something, because you may you may be looking at someone else's code. Usually most people who work on code, they don't work alone. So you don't
Oh,
really have
yeah,
control
yes,
over.
yes, they don't. They
Yeah,
don't.
yeah. So you need to know all the other ways to do things. So let me see, if you were to use the while loop to do the same thing, how will it look?
It will be while kids in boys.
While what?
While kids in boys, colon.
No. If you wanted to use the while loop to do this, you will need a variable. You will need that I. That's the implication. You will need that
Okay,
I. You will start with I assignment operator 0. Do you understand?
okay, so yes, sir.
Uh-huh. So it will look like the one that which you did now earlier before it. You have that I assignment operator 0 while I less than len boys. Then you put your colon. Then you now do the print statement. But then inside the print statement, you won't just have like just that kid there. You will have boys I, print boys I. You understand?
Yes, sir.
And then finally, you now have I assignment operator I plus 1. So in other words, anytime that you're using the while loop, you have to be specific about, all those details, the I assignment operator 0 and stuff like that. Do you get it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's try it. So go ahead and try it out. I start with I assignment operator 0 and then, finish it up. Let's see if it will produce exactly the same thing you have on the screen now. Fortune, David, Ugo, Dad, Mom. Let's see if it will do
Uh,
just that.
okay. So I equals 0.
Go ahead now.
Then I do my while loop. Well, I'm actually using the same as this. Just different.
You are using boys. It's only boys. We have already extended boys. We've already added parents to boys. So we don't have any business with parents again, just boys.
Okay. Okay. I. Okay, like this.
Continue, Simeon. Why are you stopping now? Put your colon and go ahead. What happened? You forgot to put colon. I just said put your colon and go ahead.
Yeah, that was after. You left. You're back.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why do you have J assignment operator 0?
Oh, okay.
We don't need parents again. It's just boys. Just focus on boys. That's all. We've already extended boys. So parents is now inside boys.
So print kid.
Where did you get kid from again now? Kid is for the for loop. We don't have kid here. You just do
Oh,
your boys square brackets I. You don't need the upper, just the boys. I.
okay.
Remove that
Just
upper here.
okay. So
Continue, Simeon. I don't know. You just type code and say okay. Continue the. Ah. Hmm.
no. This is what we did everything.
Why did you leave out your increment, your I assignment operator I plus 1? Why did you leave it out?
And then I forgot.
Can you see what it has cost?
Yes, sir.
Mhm. I don't know how you can't end this thing because it's an infinite loop. You have to open another this thing and start again.
So I have to start everything again.
Uh, you can try. Can you save? Is there anything? Is there any way you can save this file? Click on file. Let's see if it will allow you to save. I don't think it will even let you save. You can save it quickly. I don't know how you are going to do that.
It stopped.
No, it hasn't stopped.
Oh,
It only looks as if it stopped because you clicked on save. It hasn't stopped. You better quickly save it and then close it. And then now, wait, the next time you open it, it will only be this thing that which you.
let's see.
So you have to now start a new one.
Yeah, let's see if it still works.
So what you will do is to just do the boys own. You understand? You are not doing the nested while loop.
Wait, it worked. Oh no, it didn't. But the system is still here.
The output will still be there, but at least but I'm not sure it will it let you. Will it let you? Can you can't delete all those things now. You can't use it.
No,
What you need is the code. Abi, is it not the code that you're looking for? Which you should be
eh,
able to type by now. That thing will waste your time. You are just trying that thing that you are trying to delete is to waste your time. Don't do that. Just go straight for the code and do it in this new one and continue.
do it in this one.
The loop.
I, I should continue everything.
No, you can't continue here now. This one has
Oh,
already, this is the one that you saved, is it not?
yes, sir.
Uh-huh. So what you need is just the code that which you are doing before the thing messed up. You left out your I assignment operator I plus one.
Wait, I think I can still. I don't want to copy everything just in case I like need it later, like in a future class.
Mm. You don't need this now. I thought I said that you don't need the nested while loop. All you
Yeah,
just need.
no, I just want to copy it in case I need it for like a future class. That's no matter. I'll just continue.
I'm sure you know that you have had a lot of mistakes with this leaving out this I assignment operator. I no, it cannot be there now. It's inside the while loop. If you do it like that, it will not be inside the while loop. The reason why you
Yes,
did it like that for the other one is because you had nested while loops, so it had to match with the one that the outer while loop. And if you even look at it, if you look at that one very well, you see that that I assignment operator I plus one did not match with the while with the while that it was in. It was under. If you look at it very well, that I assignment operator I plus one in the nested while loop, look at it very well. It's matching with the inner while loop to show you that it is inside the other one, the first while loop. That's how it will show you. So once something is inside the loop, it can never match. You understand? It will not match with the beginning of that statement. Do you understand what I'm saying?
yes, sir.
Uh-huh. So always take note of that. So that's how it should be.
Okay, so I should click. I should double click.
Execute it now. Don't you want to execute it?
Okay.
You did
You
not
didn't
you
show
did
me.
not call the boys.extend again. You forgot it. You are supposed to do boys.extend parents first before
Oh,
you do this. Or yeah, quickly call it and then repeat that while loop.
wait, add it that.
No, boys.extend first. That's no, you don't need you don't need to restart. Just call boys.extend first before you do that. Simeon, what are you waiting for now?
Oh, like
What should be in between the parentheses for extend, Simeon?
uh,
You have forgotten. It was parents now.
oh yeah.
There were only two arrays, boys, parents. So obviously, these parents that should have been inside there. Now you can now do the while loop there. Don't forget, it must start with the I assignment operator 0. Where did you get the? You don't need, see,
Oh,
try
no,
and understand something.
I didn't see that.
You don't need parents again. Once you do
Yeah, I'm going to cancel it.
boys.extend parents, you don't need parents again. All you just need now is the boys. Boys, I, that's all you need.
Okay. Huh? Oh, it's because I copied it.
I think it's that editing that you did. You probably didn't edit it properly.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Yeah, it worked. But it repeated dad, mom, dad.
Because you called it 2 times. That's why it extended it twice.
Oh,
That's what happened. That boys.extend parents, boys.extend parents, you called it 2 times. So that's why it
that's
happened like that. Okay. So if you were to the you did not now you the for loop, you did not do the for loop. You did not do that for loop on the for kid in boys.
okay.
Can you remember it? For kid in boys, print kid. That's all.
Yes,
And go ahead and type it for kid in boys. Then put your colon, then print kid.
Prince Kid.
For kid in boys, print kid.
Oh,
It's a for loop. Don't forget, you have to do the for loop first. Simeon. Simeon, execute it now. What are you waiting for?
I did. I was looking at it.
Can you see that? Can you see how the code for the for loop is just how many lines? How many lines of code do you have there?
Uh, a two.
Two. Then look at the while loop just above it that did the same thing. Can you see? Can you see that it produced the same thing?
Yes, it did, sir.
How many lines of code do you have there? Don't count the extent though. The extent is not part of it.
Four.
Start from the I assignment operator 0.
Four.
4.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So one of them is telling you that, well, with 2 lines of code, you can do this thing. And the other one is telling you that to be more specific about positioning and things like that, you need how many lines? 4 lines. Do you understand now?
Yes, sir.
So what I want you to do now for me before we end the class, you remember how the first code we did on while loop, where you are counting upwards from 1 to either was it 50 or so. Let's
Was
just do,
10
let's
and
so
50.
just from 1 to 50.
No, 1 to 50 and 1 to 10.
Okay, so I want you to do a while loop for me that will start from, this one starts from 0 because arrays start from 0, position 0. So now this one is going to count. It's an array that we're not, I'm sorry, it's not an array. You're just counting from what? 1 to 20. So let me see how it's going to look. So go ahead and do it. You're counting from 1 to 20.
1 to 20.
Yes, 1 to 20.
Um, 1 to 20.
If you are counting from 1 to 20, what do you think your eye should start from? Should it start from 0?
Yeah. No, no, no. 1.
So what should it start from?
1.
Oh, yeah, go ahead quickly. Go to the while loop now. So what should it be on what's
While
the condition of your while loop
while
now?
I less than 20. Less than equals to 20.
Because you are including 20 years. Don't forget your colon. Oh. Forget your colon. You have
Yeah.
to start your code all over again. What next?
Orange.
How do you
Uh,
want your print to look? Quickly. Decide.
uh, It's like mm, and this is the kind of the part where I'm confused.
Huh?
I'm trying to remember.
Just choose now. How do you want it to look? It must not be in a particular way. How do you want it to? Do you want to see I equals 1, I equals 2? It's your choice.
I equals right. I thought
Huh? Let me see what you have there.
it's no,
Can you move your cursor away from there?
it's
Your cursor
no,
is blocking that this thing.
I don't, it's I equals
Mm-hmm.
mm,
You can do it like that, but
I equals
uh,
I plus 1. Okay,
mm-hmm.
okay, so you walked.
Okay, now imagine that this code, we want it to go from 1 to 50. What will we need to do?
The same.
What will we change? What are you going to change in this code for it to go from 1 to 50?
Change this part from from 20 to 50.
Okay, you change that 20 to 50, right?
Yes,
Okay, so let me ask you, if you wanted to make this into a function, what are the things that would be your parameter? What do you think should be your parameter?
mm,
Do you understand what
mm,
I'm saying? Imagine if you know, like now, if you want to make this to go from 1 to 50, right? You have to repeat the code, isn't it?
yes,
Uh-huh. And then let's imagine that the person now says, oh, I don't want 50 again. I now want 100. You have to repeat the code, isn't it?
yes,
So now let's see if we can create a function. That means we'll write the code one time, and that function will take care of whether it is 50 or 20 or 5 or 10, or you understand? It can take care of any number. Do you get it now?
mm, yes,
Do you understand now?
yes.
Okay, so we want to do a function now. What do you think we should make our parameter? Remember, a parameter is the thing that you send into a function to allow it to do its work properly. So this function that we want to create, what do we want? What do you think should be that parameter?
Um, uh, value
Which one?
this one.
Which one should you specify as the parameter?
Mm. Ah, I equals I plus 1.
That's what should be your parameter.
Yes, sir.
No. Your parameter should be something that you can change. You can change it to anything you want. I just said it now. If we want 5, it will print 5 for us. If we want 20, it will do 20 for us. If we want 100, it will do 100 for us. So what should be the parameter in this case?
The print
Look at your
statement.
code. Where would you have changed if you want to change it from 20 to 50 or from 50 to 100? Which part of your code will you change?
I the print statement.
To change it from 20, for it to print from 20 to 50 or from 50 to 100? This your code is printing from 1 to what?
20.
So now I want to now change my mind. I want to change it from 20 to 50. What will I change?
This the value.
Where is the value? Go and highlight it. Let me see. Are you going to change the whole thing or you are only going to change 20?
20.
So why are you highlighting the whole thing? It's just the 20 that you will change. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So now that you have an idea of the thing that you will change, make that thing to be a variable. Do you understand what I'm trying to say?
No, I don't get it.
Okay, so I want you to imagine that instead of 20 there, we have a letter called, I think you called it value. Okay, you can call it value. So go ahead and create a function. Remember, you know how you do your function. You have to do def something. So start your function under there. Def, we'll call the function count up. We'll call it count up. Yes, count up. Okay, you know now there'll be parentheses. There's some things I shouldn't tell you. Immediately you should put it by yourself. I can't believe that you're using laptop without charging it. Please go and connect the charger quickly. Have you connected the charger?
Oh,
Okay, it's charging now. Okay, so the name of the function is count up. Then in between the parentheses, let's put our parameter. I think we said we should call it value, right?
yes, sir.
Okay, don't forget your colon. No. Put your colon after that. Now you're inside the function. So you can now start your while loop. I assignment operator, uh, I assignment operator 1, sorry. Then the while loop. You know, you cannot leave that 20 like that. We're no more dealing with 20. We have parameterized it. So you have to change that 20 to what it should be. Good. So next thing. Okay. And then, okay. All right. So can you see that it's as if nothing happened, right?
Yes, sir.
Why do you think nothing happened? Can you tell me why? Why do you think nothing happened?
Um,
Can you guess why? Remember, this is a function definition.
yes, sir.
Okay, so this I said that this is a function definition. So the reason why it seemed as if nothing happened is because it's just a definition. Remember, a function is like someone that you send on an errand. Until you call the person will just be there standing looking at you, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So now you have defined the function. You now need to call it. So go ahead and call the function and now specify in place of value. You can now specify what you want it to be. Maybe we should even make it interactive. You know how you do your input statement, right? Let's do an input statement so that you don't forget that one too. Go ahead and do an input statement. An input statement that will ask the user, please enter a number. You can't do an input statement without a variable, Simeon. You have to start with a variable. So just call your variable anything. You can call it num, you can call it anything you want. Okay, you're calling it B. Remember, you're asking the person for a number. So what do you do when you're asking somebody for a number? Do you remember? When you are asking your user for a number, you have to put it inside an int function. You put the input inside an int function. So, so you have to put int around it. Yes, exactly. Close it now. The closing parentheses. So now, so go ahead and enter a number. You've not entered any, okay, you've entered 7, okay. All right, so now call your function, but use that variable that you created now. So call your function. I think you called it count up. So go ahead and call count up. Don't forget your parentheses. Supply the variable in between the brackets there. You can't leave it empty. You said it should have something in between. So you can execute that line. Let's see what will happen. So can you see what happened there?
Yes, sir.
You can see the beauty of a function. Imagine if you had to rewrite this code from changing it from 20 to 7, and anytime anybody needs it, you have to go and rewrite the code for them. You have to go and rewrite the code for them. But when you do a function like this, you can do what? You can just tell them to call the function and it will work for anybody, any value that anybody enters, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So do you have any questions on this and any other thing we've done today?
Yes, sir.
You don't have any questions?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So um I think our next class is on Saturday. So please work towards um, doing your homework before the class so that we would start on time and finish on time.
Yes, sir.
Now, okay, so remember to save this file because one of the questions may be on this thing. So save this file in your this thing. Remember how you save the file. Save it with a name that suggests what's inside. I think this file covers what? Nested arrays and what? What else do you have up there?
Nested array and
So nested while loops with arrays, isn't it?
yes, sir.
Okay. I
Wait,
think you
can you
even
say
have
it again?
a
Can you say
for
it
loop
again?
somewhere. So I don't know how
Yes, can you
you
say it
can
again?
call it, you can also add for loop somewhere.
What do I call
You
it
say
again?
what?
What do I call it
You can
again?
say nested while loops, nested while loop, for loop, and then function calls and function calls. Yeah. So I think that should take care of it so that when you need it, you know how to find it.
Yes, sir.
All right. So you say you don't have any question, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right. So see you on Saturday.
You too, sir. Have a good day.
All right. You too.